Hey, good evening, everybody. We are the IRA. And
so you're going in turns. You're going in turns. Go.
You should try to be confident, believe in yourself, you don't doubt yourself, you don't doubt your ideas, because these things can waste a lot of time, and you should just do what you think is right.
This camp really inspired me. I'm going to be honest, when I came here, I didn't think it was going to be very good. But after hearing Mr. Daniel share, Mr. Ryan speak, and all the stories of all the core team members, I was really inspired about they didn't have a lot of opportunities, but they made the opportunities from themselves.
First time we're doing it, Student Council Camp 2025, and the goal of this camp is to teach the Student Council members to become better leaders and to teach us our different values in life.
You need to be a teachable person, and you should always be open to suggestions. Even though you think that you might be maybe really good at this, but you should always be open for more feedback. If you're not in the Student Council, join. And if you don't want to join, try again. I assure you, try again. It's going to be the best time of your life.
Stella Student Council Camp 2025. We are